How to get desktop site on Chrome on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view the desktop site on Chrome for Android. So if you are browsing on your Android device and want the full desktop version of a website, here is what you need to do. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you're inside the app, simply head over to the any site. So for this video, I'm going to simply head to YouTube, and here once you are inside the YouTube website, to switch it to the desktop version, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here from the drop down menu, simply scroll down and tap on the desktop site. And here once you tap on it, Chrome will reload the page and now you'll see the full desktop version of that website. But just note that this needs to be done individually for each site that you want to view in desktop mode. And that's it. That's how you can get desktop site on Chrome on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.